Hey girl, real quick. I'm so excited about the new habit-based fitness app I just launched, and I want to invite you to come check it out because I know it will finally help you stay consistent and see and feel results. The programming was created with you in mind. Come get a free 7-day trial inside of the Training for Life app at trainingforlifeapp.com. I can't wait to see you in there. Okay, let's get into the show. Hey there, welcome to Habit Hack Thursday, where I share a habit hack around fitness, mindset, or food freedom in order to help you train for life and make your health a lifestyle. No dieting around here. So let's go. Hey gang, welcome back to Habit Hack Thursday. Today I want to talk about some really specific niched down strategies when it comes to habit hacking. We're going to do that today via one part of the habit loop. As a reminder, habit loops are the key after we make a decision of wanting to create our most amazing version of ourselves via our habits. It is the key to helping us take action. Okay, I have created hundreds of habit loops for my one-on-one clients to help them take action because as women, that's where we get stuck a lot of times, right? We have the best of intentions, but the most chaotic lives that we are living in. To open one more tab in our heads is a lot. So habit loops really help eliminate the decision fatigue and get moving with your health. Now, a reminder, a habit loop is a cue, routine, reward. You already have so many habit loops you do throughout the day that you don't sit there and be like, okay, this is a habit loop. But when starting a new one, you have to actually create one until it becomes an unconscious habit. To help you do that, you can go take the free 3-day email challenge, which is called Habit Loop Bootcamp. I send you 3 emails over 3 days. I give you 60 various habit loops to give you some ideas, and I even have it in an audio format and a private podcast feed over a few episodes to help you create your own habit loops as well. So go to bit.ly/habit loop bootcamp. But do you know what the most important part of the habit loop is that we just really tend to not pay close enough attention to? It's the reward. The reward. There's a cue, routine, reward. We forget about the reward part, and that the reward is literally the most important part because it helps your brain rewire your neural pathways to say, wow, this feels good. I want to do it again. That's when it becomes a habit, then you'll just do it. It's why so many folks love sugar or unfortunately get addicted to certain not so healthy things, right? There's an instant gratification, a sugar rush. Something feels good, like, ooh, and your brain is like, yes, let's do that again. So we gotta lean into the reward and using instant gratification in a healthy way to reinforce those rewards to make that habit actually stick. So instant gratification is just like instant pleasure, right? It's sending you a bing to your brain that, yay, this feels good. I want to keep doing it. So let's use this to our advantage and let's share some examples of some instant gratification reward part of the habit loop to make these habits stick even more. You could gamify it. There's an app called Habitica. I always say it wrong. Habitica, okay? It's an app that lets you track your habits and productivity, but you can earn points and rewards for it. So you can gamify it. So as soon as you do it, put it in your little Habitica app. Habitica app. Okay. Track it visibly via a habit tracker. Checking things off feels good, y'all. High five someone next time you're in a group fitness class or air fist bump. I always tell my members to air fist bump if you're sweaty and you don't want to touch anybody. That literally sends a cue in your brain that, yay, I did it. This is great. I'm having fun, right? Next, have a protein drink you really love ready right after your workout class to enjoy. You're done with your workout. You have your protein waiting for you in the car or in the fridge if you're working out from home. And ooh, yummy, yummy. It's so good. And it's going to help me with those amino acids to build my muscle mass back up. But it's sending you an actual trigger that, yum, this feels good. I get this treat when I work out. Get digital feedback from your watch or tracking your workouts, right? If you do something like Orange Theory, you get your stats. You can look at the digital feedback on your watch and be like, wow, look at how many steps I got today. That feels good. So check your watch for digital feedback after a workout or a walk, for example. Next, reward yourself for getting a task done that maybe you do not enjoy. So sometimes I have a bunch of emails I have to answer. I'm like, okay, after I do all of these emails, then I'm going to reward myself with a coffee. I am just going to brew the coffee pot and like make my most decadent coffee. P.S. I love Paleo Valley bone broth chocolate protein. I live by it. You put a scoop in your coffee. It is like the most decadent mocha that's low calorie and high protein. Yum, yum. You're welcome. So, or maybe it's like I fold laundry and I watch trash TV while I do it, as just a couple of other examples as well. So this is really going to reinforce the habit. It's one thing just to be like, I'm going to do this workout class. All right, I am, doing this habit of checking my emails. Okay, I am working out. Okay. It's another to think of these little rewards you can do on the other side to reward yourself, to create those neural pathways to help you crave that habit and do it. So for more examples, go give Habit Loop Bootcamp a shot. Like I said, I provide 60 habit loops for you there as well around food freedom, mindset, and movement to help you, again, take action. Habit loops are the key. We just can't forget all three parts, with the reward being the most important part. I love habit hacking strategy stuff like this with you guys and helping you take action. Let's keep this momentum going, and I'll see you in the next episode. I am so proud of you for listening to another episode of Habit Hack Your Health. I don't want you to just feel inspired, but I want you to go take action. To help you do that, go grab a free 7-day trial inside of the Training for Life app. This is habit-based fitness programming that you won't find anywhere else. A full fitness library with workouts programmed around what we need as midlife moms, and habit trainings and accountability community to help you stay consistent no matter what season of life that you're in. Go to trainingforlifeapp.com to start your free 7-day trial, and let's start training for life together. I'm so rooting for you, girl. I'll see you in the next episode.